Welcome to FAWTV. We're here at the Football Association of Wales offices in Cardiff, and today I'm joined with Alicia Powell from Swansea City Ladies and Gwyn, the Secretary of the Welsh Premier Women's League. On Friday night at the Genquip Stadium in Port Talbot, Pilcs and Swansea City Ladies meet each other in the Welsh Premier Women's League Cup Final, which is just the second Cup Final ever. And both of today's guests are here to talk about that. So, Alicia, we'll start with yourself. It must be an exciting match to be involved in, and you know to be involved in the build-up to it as well. It must be nerves that must be started already.
Yeah, we're really excited as a squad to be in our second final of the season. Team spirits are high, especially after a win on Sunday. So yeah, we're excited to get there and play.
And of course, in the semi-finals, you knocked out Cardiff Met, who have been unbeaten for the majority of the season, and of course, Pilcs also beat Cardiff Met in the league last weekend. So it's perhaps two of the best teams meeting in the League Cup final.
Yeah, which is always the best for a cup final. Whichever team you do play, you never underestimate them and take to the field and give 110%. But after beating Cardiff Met in the semi-finals and obviously Pilcs having just beat them on the weekend, we know it's going to be a tough game.
And Gwyn, a cup final is always special for both clubs, but from the league's point of view, it's just the second. How do you see it going? Is it going to be a great event?
Well, last year was an experiment, of course, as it was the first League Cup final. It was truly memorable because Ali Sargent of Cardiff Met scored that wonder goal which clinched the trophy for Cardiff Met, but it's quite refreshing in some ways that there are two different teams in the final again, to give two different teams that new experience. And they've both beaten each other, I believe, in the league once this season, and since Pilcs were promoted, I think that Pilcs have beaten Swansea 3 times and Swansea have beaten Pilcs once. So but Swansea are on a good run in the league, as are Pilcs, so I'm really looking forward to it.
And do you think Swansea have got what it takes to perhaps defeat Pilcs in the final? Not putting them under any pressure, of course.
No, definitely. Over the last couple of weeks, the team's really come together. The squad's working hard through fitness training. So yeah, I really do think that it's ours to lose on the day.
And what do you think of the strengths of the Pilcs team? Where do you see the main threat coming from?
Our Pilcs are a really good team. Like you said, they have beaten us a few times, but as long as we don't give them any time and pressure to let them play, they're a good footballing side after just being promoted as well. Yeah, no time, no pressure, and I think we can seal the win.
And in terms of key players for Swansea City, who do you need to perform on the day in order to lift the trophy here?
I'd like to see everyone as a team. Hopefully that if we do play as a team, then we can lift the trophy. I would like to lead my team to a victory and get some silverware and bring it back. But there's a few youngsters that have just been called up to the Welsh squad. Chloe Lloyd receiving her first international cap. Emma Bynan just been called up. So hard work really does pay off, and it's nice so that they're recognised.
That's right, and Jane Ludlow, of course, Gwyn, is at the match on Friday night, and she'll be holding a question and answer session.
Yes, kick-off's at 7 o'clock, but at 6 o'clock in the Port Talbot Town Clubhouse, Jane Ludlow will be conducting a question and answer session. So anybody who wants to come along, you know, it'll be a nice start to the evening, and then before the main course of the final itself. And
of course, they may impress as well on the pitch in front of the national team managers. So it should be an exciting game on Friday night at the Genquip Stadium. Tickets are priced at £3 for adults, and it's free entry for under 16s. So good luck to both teams, and good luck to yourself, Alicia, and good luck to Pilcs as well. Thanks for joining us today on FAWTV.